Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Please remember to leave me just a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now guys, we're gonna make some strong back, and this one I'm gonna make some pumpkin Irish potato stamina back, strong back. Alright, and when all of this is boiled, semi-boiled, I'm gonna put my Irish moss or sea moss and bladderwrack. Super healthy. I have about 4 cups of water. Alright, you don't want to put too much water because you're going to use that same water to blend it, okay? And we're going to add them. And guys, you notice my pumpkin is more than my potato, okay guys? So I just use one big potato. And you can use pumpkin or squash, okay? And I'm going to put 1 cinnamon stick. Put it down in our water. And we're gonna let that boil for about 10-15 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back. This is it bubbling. Alright, I'm gonna let it cook for another 10 minutes. Got them tough now, okay guys? So you wanna give it about 15 minutes of cooking, and then I'm gonna turn the stove off and let them cool. Alright my peeps, after 15 minutes, they're still hard, but by the time I turn off the stove and the hot water gonna steam it a little bit more, they should be good. So I'm gonna turn the stove off, and I'm gonna let this cool down, and I'm gonna set it in the fridge, and tomorrow we're gonna come back and make some punch. Welcome back, and we're gonna start blending. We're gonna make it easy and simple today, all right? And this one will be vegan, vegetarian friendly, all right? And if you don't want the alcohol, just skip out the alcohol, okay? So here I have it guys, it's all cool, and I'm gonna pour it here. Oopsie. Alright, hold it one time guys. Woohoo! And to this, I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of my Irish moss, sea moss. Well, that's about more than 2 guys, but you know, a big tablespoon we use, you know we go. I'm gonna add about 1/2 cup of Guinness, not too much. I'm not gonna use all of it. All right, just like that. And I'm not gonna use any rum today, okay? And I'm gonna put a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm also gonna put a teaspoon of mixed essence, a teaspoon of nutmeg. That's better, okay? I'm gonna put some of this almond milk. That's good. That's about 1/2 cup. And guys, I'm not gonna add any milk. You can just use more almond milk, and then you top it up with some honey. But I'm gonna go in with this almond powdered milk. All right, our powdered almond. And this one is Lasco Lasai. All right, soy beverage. So I'm gonna put about 1/2 pack. All right, let's blend. And after you blend it guys, if it's too thick, you can go ahead and add more almond milk or whatever you want, or water. All right guys, we're gonna take a look at it. Ooh, look at that goodness. All right, let's taste it. You can go ahead and sweeten it with some condensed milk. Guys, it's nice, but you don't have no sugar. Fresh like a rose water. I'm gonna put all of this, all of the package in it, the whole pack, to give it a little bit more better taste guys. Cause fresh like rose water. I'm gonna go in with 2 tablespoons of honey. 1, 2. Guys, you know I'm trying to keep it on the healthier side, all right? But if it was up to me alone, I'll just use some condensed milk. So, ooh. All right, we're gonna blend one more time. All right, look at this. All right, we're gonna serve up some. It's so refreshing and nice. But guys, you want some more sugar, but I'm not going to put any more sugar. But if it was up to me, I put a little bit of condensed milk in it, but my peeps said it's not healthy, so we're going to stay away from that, and we're going to serve up some. But if you want, Jamaican people, you can add a little bit of condensed milk or a little bit more honey, or maybe a teaspoon or a tablespoon of brown sugar. But we're going to serve up this right here. All right, this is good. And I'm going to put 2 cubes of ice in that one, and I already put this one in the freezer, and I add some ice as well. All right, so we're going to pour some in. Just right. All right, and I pour it in this one first because I don't want to make a mess, and then we're going to pour some in this one. All right, my peeps, so this is my pumpkin and potato Irish mash strong back, stamina back. All right, guys. Yes, and I add a little bit of Guinness. You can up it if you want. All right, real natural. All right, love upon me and I love upon you. All right, guys, so thick and creamy. The Irish mash packed with lots of antioxidants. Oh, and the Irish mash is Irish mash and bladderwrack. Okay, super healthy, packed with lots of antioxidants, gonna clean and build your immune system. All right, my peeps, so love upon me and I love upon you. Bye, guys. And you can try it with some milk or some sugar if you want. All right, my peeps, it's up to you.